Welcome back, everybody. Thank you for watching another video. Tonight we're going to have a look at these gorgeous luxury folding EDC knives from Mcusta. These are the Tsuchi knives and they're part of their Shinra Emotion line. And of course, before getting started, just want to thank the good folks out at Mcusta for sending me these knives to review. Let's get started. And as always, guys, if at the ending of the video you want to purchase any of the knives mentioned in this video and help support the channel, make sure you check out the links in the description below because we do get a commission if you purchase one of these knives. So here's what we're going to do. These are basically all the same knife. They have all the same features. It's just the handles that are different. So what we're going to do is use the stamina wood version as an example to have a look around. And then later on in the video, we'll have a look at these handles each individually. Let's get started. Let's begin with a quick size reference, just so you get a better idea for the overall size of this knife. Let's have a look at vertically next to each other. And now with the blade open. And of course, back to vertical. Let's take a quick measurement with the blade closed here. So overall length looks like it's coming in at just about 3 3/4 inches long. And another quick measurement with the blade open from the tip of the blade to the edge of the handle. Looks like it's just about 6.5 inches overall length. Let's have a look at the top of the knife here so you get a better idea for the overall thickness of this knife. And look at how the light catches the CNC machine lining on the inside there. Even that backspace are gorgeous. Alright, here's a pair of chopsticks. This is the thicker side, this is the thinner side, and I have a feeling with those wooden handles, just about the same thickness as that. Let's take a quick measurement here, and we look like it's just about 7/16 of an inch. Let's have a quick look at the thickness of the spine here, and that is a nice chunky blade. You can probably fit about 2 US quarters on there. Let's have a look at your opening mechanisms. We have dual thumb studs, so you can flick this open with your right or your left thumb. And look at the bluing they got on there. And again, I don't know if there's an anodizing or case hardening, but that bluing is gorgeous. It's kind of like a blue, purple, bronze. You see it there. And on the pivot on this side as well. This is an anodized pin riding on Teflon washers, and it absolutely flies open. Let's have a look at the liner lock. Again, look at how the light picks up on the lining in there. Beautiful machining. When you flick the blade open, this arm will swing over and lock into the base of the blade here so the blade won't close. To disengage it, you just move it on the side. Close it up with one hand. Let's have a look up front at this blade. Starting with the spine again, as we've seen earlier. No jimping up here. Beautiful straight lines, nice and smooth all the way down to this nice fine point. Now, some websites are calling this a spear point. To me, this is more of a drop point, but nice thick blade up here. You're going to have a lot of mass behind this edge. It's going to be a very strong blade. Beautiful Damascus pattern. This is not laser etched in here. It's actually legit. And we have a sharpening choil here to help you sharpen the entire edge from the tip of the blade down here to the base. The process that's used to make this steel up front is called sanmai, 3-layer. Basically, you have 2 Damascus layers on the outside, the VG10 core. And VG10 back in the day used to be a super steel, and in many ways it still is. You got about 15% chromium that's going to help you with your corrosion resistance. Easy to sharpen, easy to maintain. Takes a nice fine edge, as you can see here, and the edge retention is pretty good. So the way you make the mask is you basically have 2 types of whatever steel, and you tend to just stack them how you want. So we're just going to go alternating like this. And you can go as many layers as you want. You can fold it over as many times as you want. But basically, you get your billets, you mix them up, you weld them together, and then you forge them. And that's what makes that wavy pattern. So let's say now you have your 2 Damascus billets here. Now you're going to put your VG10 in the middle. You're going to stack them together, weld them together, and then forge them. That's how you get sanmai, 3 layers. Now as far as grinds go, if you tip the knife sideways here and you run your finger just right in here, you feel a slight curvature. So it's a little bit of a hollow grind. If you put a straight edge right on the surface, you can see a little bit of a space there. So this is going to be a nice slicer. Now let's have a closer look at these beautiful handles. So this is the red stamina wood. This pattern in here is called hammered. You normally find that on steel, but look at how angular it is and how it picks up the light. Again, let's go back up to the top and see the beautiful CNC machining. Picks up the light there. Solid matching backspacer with an integrated lanyard loop. Love the way that Damascus is peeking out of the top there. Beautiful red stamina wood. Over to the brown ironwood. Look at the grain structure. Absolutely stunning. So which one do you pick? Red or brown? Or maybe neither. Maybe you're into black packerwood. Also gorgeous. Because of the angles that are cut into the wood, it still picks up light, even on the black handle. Last thing we're going to look at is the skeletonized pocket clip. All right, going to get you the profile view there. And this is reversible to the other side here. And this will be tip up carry only. Here's a quick look at what this knife is going to look like when you dunk it down in your pocket. Well, it's going to stick out just a little bit. It's going to be easy to draw. There's a profile view there. Back to the front. Once again, guys, these have been the Tsuchi knives from Mcusta, part of their Shinra Emotion line. If you're looking for a new EDC knife, or if you're looking for a gift for somebody else, and you want it to have that real unique look, with really good blade quality steel up the front, with that quality that you would expect from Seki Japan, any one of these might be a great option for you. Well, alright guys, this is the ending of the video. Remember, if you want to purchase any of the knives mentioned in this video, make sure you check out the link in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.